Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Accord door handle. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the exact replacement handle for your specific Honda Accord model. Always work in a well-lit area and ensure your car is parked securely with the parking brake engaged for safety. Now, let's remove the door panel. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry off any plastic trim pieces covering screws or clips. Once the trim is off, unscrew all visible fasteners. Gently pull the panel away from the door, then disconnect any electrical connectors and the two door handle cables before fully removing it. With the door panel off, you can access the handle assembly. You'll typically find 2 or 3 bolts holding the handle in place. Remove these. Carefully disconnect the rods or cables from the old handle. Now, position your new handle, attach the rods or cables, and secure it with the bolts you just removed. Double-check all connections. It's time to put everything back together. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cables to the interior panel. Carefully align the door panel and push it firmly into place, then reinsert all screws and trim pieces. Finally, test the new door handle multiple times and ensure your window operates correctly before you finish up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.